Hey, so if you're running a library, you totally get it. The daily grind of managing every single detail. But what if you could take the work right out of that work? Today, we're going to take a look at a tool that promises to do just that, the Smart Library app.
Does this look a little too familiar? You know, juggling a dozen different spreadsheets, flipping through old paper registers, trying to remember who paid and who didn't? It is a lot. And honestly, it pulls you away from the stuff that actually matters.
Okay, it is time to close those spreadsheets. For good. Let's just walk through what a typical day could look like with the Smart Library app. We're going to see how it completely transforms your workflow from cluttered and chaotic to, well, clear and simple. The very first moment you log in, you land right here, the dashboard. Think of this as your command center, or maybe your morning coffee check-in. It's your entire library's performance, just laid out for you on one clean screen. No digging around, no searching, just instant clarity.
So first up, you see the size of your community, right there, the total number of students you've got registered.
Then you get a real-time pulse on your actual space. What percentage of your seats are filled right now? No more guesswork.
Next, your money, your total revenue for the month, and it's always up to date.
And finally, the dashboard flags exactly what needs your attention, the total amount of pending fees. See? All your key metrics visible in a single glance.
All right, so with our morning check-in done, a brand new student walks in the door. Let's see just how simple it is to get them all set up. This isn't some long, drawn-out process. It's designed to be totally seamless.
You just follow 3 super simple steps. First, you just pop in their details, name, contact info, and which seat and shift they're looking for. You know, morning, afternoon, or evening. Second, you set their monthly fee and their start date. And third, you just click register. That is literally it.
And just like that, boom, the student is officially in the system. Their profile's created, their seat is assigned, and their payment cycle has officially begun. The whole thing takes, what, less than a minute?
So now that we have students in the system, how does the app handle all the day-to-day management? Let's take a look at keeping records clean and, this is the big one, making sure you collect those fees.
The student list is basically your digital filing cabinet. It's awesome. You can see everyone who's registered all in one place. Need to update a phone number or maybe change a seat? Just click Edit. And when a student decides to leave, a single click on Delete archives their record, which keeps your active list nice and tidy.
Now this is a game changer. Let's talk about one of the most annoying jobs, right? Chasing late payments. The old way? Ugh. You had to manually check who hasn't paid, type out all those individual reminder messages, and then try to remember who you've already talked to. The new way? You just go to the pending fees list and click one button. A reminder gets sent instantly through WhatsApp. That just perfectly shows the shift from manual grunt work to smart, easy automation.
But you know, the app isn't just about managing people. It's about managing your entire business. So let's see how it helps you make the most of your physical space and your finances.
Okay, this is the Seat Map Viewer, and it is brilliant for managing your space. You get this clean visual layout of your entire library. You can see in a heartbeat which seats are available and for which shifts. So a student comes in and needs an evening seat, one look right here tells you exactly what's open. All the guesswork is just gone.
And hey, it's not just about the money coming in, you got to track your costs. The monthly expenses feature lets you log every single cost, from rent and internet bills to random maintenance stuff. The app then turns that data into this really simple visual so you can clearly see where your money is actually going each month. It makes managing your budget so much easier.
Now let's bring it all together. We've seen how the app handles all these individual tasks, but its real power, its secret sauce, is how it connects every single piece of data to give you that complete 360-degree view of your library.
For any student, at any time, you can pull up their entire profile. Everything you could possibly need to know is right here. Their contact info, their assigned seat, and a full, detailed history of every single payment they have ever made. It's their whole journey with you, all in one spot.
And here's where it gets really smart. Every one of these little actions we just took, registering a new student, marking a fee as paid, assigning a seat, it all feeds directly back to where we started.
Your dashboard. It's a living, breathing screen. So when you add that new student, the total students count ticks up by 1. When you collect a fee, monthly revenue goes up and pending fees goes down. Every single action you take is instantly reflected, so your bird's eye view is always accurate.
So this really brings us to the final question, doesn't it?
Are you ready to stop managing all the little things and actually start growing your library? This tool handles the grind so you can finally focus on the big picture. Thanks so much for tuning in.